Learn English through story. The farmer's son becomes a doctor. Welcome to this English learning story. Listen carefully. Repeat after the voice. Let us begin. There was a boy named Arif. He lived in a small village. The village was surrounded by green fields. His father was a poor farmer. Every day, his father worked under the hot sun. He worked from morning until evening. But even after working so hard, the family had very little money. Arif loved his father very much. He often went to the fields after school. He helped his father carry water. He helped him collect crops. One evening, Arif asked, "Father, why do you work so hard every day?" His father smiled. He wiped the sweat from his face and said, "My son, I work hard so you can have a better future." Those words stayed in Arif's heart. One day, something terrible happened. Arif's mother became very sick. She had a high fever. She could barely stand. The family became worried. The nearest hospital was far away. There was no doctor in the village. His father borrowed money and took her to the town hospital. After many hours, a doctor treated her. Luckily, she recovered. That day changed Arif's life. As he watched the doctor helping his mother, he made a promise. "I will become a doctor one day." Many people laughed at him. A farmer's son becoming a doctor? It sounded impossible. One neighbor said, "Arif, you should be realistic." Another said, "Doctors come from rich families, not poor villages." Arif felt hurt. But he did not give up. Instead, he studied harder. Every morning, he woke up before sunrise. He studied for 1 hour before school. After school, he helped his father in the fields. Then he studied again at night. His friends played games. But Arif spent his evenings with books. Sometimes he felt lonely. Sometimes he felt tired. But he never forgot his dream. Years passed. Arif became one of the best students in school. His teachers admired him. One day, his science teacher called him. "Arif, what do you want to become in the future?" "A doctor," Arif answered confidently. The teacher smiled. "You can do it. Just never stop believing in yourself." Those words gave Arif strength. Then life became difficult again. One year, there was very little rain. The crops failed. The family's income disappeared. His father became worried. There was not enough money. One night, Arif heard his parents talking. His mother said softly, "How will we pay for his education?" His father remained silent. After a few moments, he replied, "I don't know." Arif listened from outside the room. His heart felt heavy. For the first time, he wondered if his dream would end. The next morning, Arif went to school quietly. His teacher noticed something. "Arif, what happened?" Arif explained everything. The teacher listened carefully. Then he said, "Never let poverty decide your future. There is always a way." A few weeks later, the teacher helped him apply for a scholarship. Arif studied harder than ever before. He spent every free minute learning. Some nights he slept only 4 hours. His eyes became tired. His body became weak. But his determination became stronger. Finally, the exam day arrived. Hundreds of students came to take the test. Arif felt nervous. His hands were shaking. He looked around. Many students wore expensive clothes. Many came from rich families. For a moment, fear entered his heart. Then he remembered his father's words. I work hard so you can have a better future. Arif took a deep breath. He picked up his pen. And he began. Weeks later, the results were announced. The entire village waited. Arif walked to the notice board. His heart was beating fast. He searched for his name. Then suddenly, he saw it. His name was at the top. He had won the scholarship. For a moment, he could not believe it. Then tears filled his eyes. He ran home. His father was working outside. Father! Father! Arif shouted. His father looked up. I got the scholarship. His father stood still. Then he hugged his son tightly. Tears rolled down his face. That was one of the happiest days of their lives. Arif moved to the city for higher studies. Everything was different there. The buildings were bigger. The roads were crowded. The students were smarter. At first, he felt lost. Many students spoke fluent English. Many had expensive laptops. Many came from wealthy families. Arif had none of those things. Sometimes he felt inferior. Sometimes he wanted to return home. But every time he thought about quitting, he remembered the fields. He remembered his father's hard work. And he continued. Medical school was extremely difficult. The books were thick. The lessons were complex. The exams were challenging. Many students dropped out. Many students failed. There were nights when Arif cried alone. There were nights when he questioned himself. Can I really do this? But each morning, he stood up again. And he tried once more. One winter evening, Arif received a phone call. It was from his mother. Her voice sounded weak. Your father is in the hospital. Arif's heart stopped. What happened? He collapsed while working. Arif immediately traveled back to the village. When he arrived, he saw his father lying on a hospital bed. His strong father looked weak. For the first time, Arif felt truly afraid. He sat beside him all night. The next morning, his father opened his eyes. He smiled. My son. Arif held his hand. Tears rolled down his face. Father, please get better. His father smiled softly. I will. Then he looked directly into Arif's eyes. Promise me something. What is it?